Welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemanth Academy. In this session, we are going to see about keyword arguments. We know that by default, the arguments passed to the function is in the form of positional arguments. In this case, the order of arguments are very important. Python provides flexibility to specify arguments with keywords while calling the function. The keyword arguments, also known as KWArgs in short, and values are passed in the form of key equal to value format. In this form, the order of arguments does not matter. Let us see this in example. Consider we have a function greet that accepts two arguments, namely msg and n, which prints the given message up to n times. We call the function by passing the arguments in the same order which is specified in the function definition. If we pass the arguments in different order, it will generate an error. Let us save and execute the program. You can notice the first function call executed successfully, and the second function call, which we called using arguments in different order, has thrown an error. We can use the key equal to value format while calling the function that accepts the parameters in any order and produces the desired result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.